Greeting, this is Matt Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can use text box in Microsoft Word and how we can move text box from one place to another place. So we're going to be looking at some of the text box that we can really insert. And the purpose of text box is that when you have text box, you can actually move up the text box from one place to another place. So for instance, you have a paragraph in a text box, or you might have a heading in a text box. I want to ship it, it's easier for you to ship that. So I'm going to be guiding you through that particular process. Right, very important. So what I wanted to do, I want to bring up the Microsoft Word that you have inside the desktop here. So we want to bring up Microsoft Word here. Very important. Let me bring up the Microsoft Word document. All right, and there you go. All right, so the first thing we're going to be looking at, how we can insert text box. We're going to go all the way here up to the Insert tab and click on the Insert tab. So when you click on the Insert tab, it brings down the ribbon. So I'm going to go right across here. Right on that text, I'm going to click right. I'll go pointer text box. Right, if you notice, I have different types of text box here, which I can actually use here. And if you notice right down here, so that I can actually draw. I can also get more from text box from Microsoft, right? So if I use the first one here, you notice, right? To give me a look at something else must grab with attention. So I'm going to write something inside here. You know, it's another type, you notice so small again. So I'm going to write something from 2 that. So as soon as I write that, right? If you notice, I can actually move the text box up and down. I can actually move it. You notice, I can carry it up to the corner here. I can actually ship it to where I want. All right. But if you notice, it have this box around it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually move. All right. So we're going to go up again to insert. All right, that text box. What I want to use the draw one. So the draw one, you notice it give you a plus. We're going to put it right here. We're going to draw just like that. I'm going to say the same thing. Welcome. Right, so that is very important. So if I want to put this inside of this, I can actually put this above. I can actually come like that. If I want to put it here, I can put it here. Anywhere I want to put it, I can. Right, but if you notice this little box around it, to get rid of this little box, you have to just highlight on it just like that. Then they come right up here. It is said format. We have to highlight the text box first. You're going to come right here. That's a shape fill. You're going to click on the little pointer. You're going to come down and click on the word no fill. You're going to go back up and look for a shape outline. Click on the little pointer and go down to no outline. If you notice, go back down, you're going to do the same thing for this one. Go right up here, there's a shape fill. Click on the little pointer, click on no fill. Going to go over the shape outline. And I click and come to no outline. Alright, if you notice, if I move this and I put it right here. You notice? It actually look like a type. I type it. And if I come like this, I can actually put it like this, right above it like that. You notice? Yes. So these are the advantages what you can actually do with text box. You can put actually right here. You notice it actually look like it's exactly like it's in line that it's like a one sentence. Right? You can actually carry it here. You can actually carry it here. And there's another way in which you can actually do this. You can actually use shift as a text box. You come right here, insert, you click here on shift. You're going to take one of these triangle here, and you're going to draw it just like that. And draw it, you notice this color. All you have to do is just come right here, and just click and get it now. Well, how can you type inside? First thing you want to do, put the cursor inside, and then just right click. You right click, you come right here. Notice the window come up. Just click where it says add text. Notice? And then you can type in the same thing here. Then you click outside. But if you notice the box still around it, the only thing you have to do is just click the box. Then you notice you bring up shape format, and you're going to go shape fill and click the little pointer here. Say no fill. You're going to click on shape outline. Say no outline. Notice everything move from around it. So you can actually put this right side of this stuff like that. Look exactly Good. So you can use shape as a text box, and you have text box separating which you can actually use. Right? So very important. So hope you have learned something from this video, and if the video has helped solve the problem, just consider to share and subscribe so that I can have the next video that's coming out. Right? So very important.